Hello everyone and welcome to Go Here. This gate you're looking at is called Darwaza Quran or Quran Gate, and it's considered the entrance to the city of Shiraz. But why is called Quran Gate? Take a look at these old photos. Originally the structure looked like this, and on top of it there was a Quran, the holy book of Muslims. Anyone living or entering the city would pass under it. This tradition still exists among Muslims today. It symbolizes seeking protection and blessing from the Quran before starting a journey. Over time, as the city expanded and roads were developed, the gate changed into what you see today. But I didn't come here just to show you this gate. Right here in these mountains lies one of the greatest poets of the 14th century, Khwaju Kermani. As his name suggests, Khwaju Kermani was born in Kerman. In his youth, after studying the common science of his time, he traveled to several places including Isfahan, Azerbaijan, Syria, Ray, Iraq, and Egypt. Eventually, he passed away in Shiraz. Now, we have take this path up the mountains to reach his tombs. It's beautiful and scenic roads. Stay with us, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support us with your likes and comments. It's really help us reach more people. Thank you for your support. Alright friends, this was Khwaju Kermani tomb. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this one, you'll probably enjoy these three as well. Vakil Historical Bazaar, Zinatul Mulk Historical House, and Baba Kui's tomb. Thank you for watching.